Hi guys, today we are going to have a look into some beautiful Banarasi collection that caters to the wedding occasion. So let's go have a look. Here we have a gorgeous yellow mustard fabric with gold booties, and we also have a two-tone color here as thread work in this fabric. This can be used in a beautiful lehenga set for kids wear, or a gorgeous blouse for your daughters, or kurtas for your son in a wedding season. Here we have a vibrant Rani pink Banarasi with silver leaf booty and a dull gold shaded color between it. This can be used as a beautiful blouse that you can stitch, or a lehenga set or dupatta for your kids wear. Moving to the next fabric, here we have a violet color royal looking gold booties, and this can be used in many ways, like a blouse or a lehenga set with a beautiful bottom lehenga as well, and a gorgeous sari can be draped on this blouse to make it even more beautiful and subtle. Moving to our next fabric, as you can see here, we have this in violet color with gold booties, and here we have a similar shade of navy blue with the same sort of pattern but in silver booties. Now this can also be used for the same kind of outfits like a blouse or a lehenga set for your kids wear or for yourself if you are looking for a beautiful sari to drape with. Moving to our next fabric, brocade weaved Banarasi, which is in cherry red color, and as you can see, inside of it is a very small flower-like pattern in all of the fabric, and it comes in silver color booties. And this can also be used in a beautiful lehenga set or a kurta for your son or daughter, and this could also be a great attire for the wedding season. Moving to our next fabric, this is one of my favorite fabric patterns because it looks gorgeous due to the gold booties with a moon-like design, and inside of it, as you can see, there are flowers in it, and the feel of it is also really soft with a navy blue color, which can be used again for a gorgeous kurta set or a blouse or even a sari. Moving to our next fabric, here we have an orange colored Banarasi with gold booties, and as you can see, there are three different patterns of booties that can be seen here all over the fabric, and it makes it look gorgeous and beautiful and bright as well. This can also be used as a really nice kurta set or a dupatta as well if you want to go for a simpler look in a wedding season. Moving to our next fabric, here we have a gorgeous yellow color fabric with silver colored booty, which again gives a really royal look because as simple as it looks, it can be customized into a gorgeous suit set or a dupatta or a blouse as well, and we can use this for the wedding season. These fabrics that you see here can be customized here at Singhania's. You could visit our store for the same or shop online to find out more about this collection as well. Moving to our next beautiful blue family Banarasi collection, as you can see, this is really gorgeous and it has a really fun booty pattern which is gold in color, and this can also be worn as a blouse, a really chic dupatta or a suit set as well for your wedding season or for sangeet or engagement, for any of these occasions. Moving to our next fabric, here we have an elegant looking green colored fabric with gold booties, and as you can see, the weave here is tree-like pattern, and it's beautiful for the wedding season since you can make a lehenga set out of it, or you can make a kurta set. You can probably match with your entire family with the same kind of color and create a whole wedding look with this. Hope you like this video. For more such videos, like, comment and subscribe to our channel Fabrics by Singhania. And to shop for more collection, you can visit our store at Banjara Hills Road number 1 or shop online at Fabrics by Singhania. Thank you.